Hi there, thank you for registering for the Merkaba workshop. So, important things for you to think about between now and then. You need to be meditating on a few shapes, okay? These are the shapes that you'll need to meditate. First off, if you're not already familiar with the chakras, do at least a little bit of reading on them, because the chakras, having them aligned, having them well tuned, makes your Merkaba practice so much better, so much easier, so much more powerful and effortless and stuff. So check up on those 7 chakras. There are a million different things on it online that you can find, or books on it in person. And I think a lot of you guys, if you're wanting to do the Merkaba workshop, you're already somewhat connected with the chakras. So definitely make sure that you are thinking about them as the class gets closer. Okay, next, the shapes that it's important for you guys to meditate on. First off, obviously a sphere, just a round sphere, round sphere. But not only flat on paper, imagine it being 3-dimensional, imagine it being a real, like a globe, like a bubble, okay? Second one you will need to know is a star. This is a little flat, the one I just drew. But practice drawing them, you know, let's see if I can do this backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, wow, 5. Star like that. You will need that. You will need to be able to do that in your head. So just practice drawing it on paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it in other directions too, which you will need to do for the workshop, like this. Whoa, this is really weird drawing this way, you guys. And like this. Boom. Okay, you see what I'm doing? You see what I did there? Alright, you need to practice drawing a star with a pen that preferably has ink in it. Okay, another thing you'll need to know is a pyramid. Now, like I said in the info video for this class publicly, most Merkabas are done with pyramids that are only 3 sides on every side. But the one that we're going to be doing in a Merkaba workshop is 4-sided bottom. So the way that you draw it, and drawing these are a really great way to do this. The way that you draw it is to, of course, just draw a normal triangle like so, right? Boom, there. But then to draw a small rectangle coming up from the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. See? Like that. And then to connect it with lines from the top. Like the pyramids of Giza. That's the one that we're doing. Or you could, of course, do it with starting off with a rectangle at the bottom and then drawing lines to each side of it, like I'm about to show you right now, like that. Okay, you'll need to know how to make a pyramid, so practice, or else the workshop is going to be over your head and it's not going to work, and I want it to work, obviously. So circles, stars, and pyramids, that's what you guys are going to need. Oh, one more thing, very, very important: spirals. Seeing them from the side, they end up looking kind of like this, you know, but they'll go around and around, like a DNA helix. Think about the DNA helix. That's what you need to know. So sphere, star, pyramid, like the pyramids in Egypt, and spiral. You guys will need to know that for the workshop. Also, make sure that before you take the workshop, whether or not you're taking this one live or whether you're taking it once it's recorded, make sure that you have slept well the night before. Make sure that you've had a healthy breakfast that morning. Make sure you've done whatever exercise and meditation you normally do, because it will make it so much easier to spin your Merkaba that way. And this is going to be a pretty intense sequence. It's going to have a lot of details in it, so you might need to go through it a few times. This is a sequence that I've formed over years of training in this, so definitely it will not be super easy the very, very first time. You might have to go through the workshop a couple times, but the idea is that once you've done everything, it should only take you a couple moments to spin your Merkaba any given time. And it just helps everything be more cohesive in your aura. It helps you travel easier physically and astrally, helps you communicate more clearly, and also just it aligns your energy. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this with you guys and sending you a lot of love, and I will see you in the workshop. Also, login information, depending on when you're getting it. If you're doing this one live, I'll send you certain login information, and if you're getting it recorded, you'll just be able to download the course and check it out. Okay, sending you guys lots of love. Talk to you soon. Bye.